Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have something really interesting prepared for you today because it's all about the pattern hack. We're going to hack a pattern for a very famous skirt from a high-end store, ZARA. This is a skirt that I'm going to hack. It's really popular. I've seen it worn on a lot of Instagram people and on loads of fashionable people as well. And being a creative as I am, the first thing that came to my mind when I seen that skirt in a store was like, can I make a pattern and make it myself? And the answer was like, yes. I found the most beautiful faux leather in a shop here in the city where I live. And I've decided that's going to be my test for a pattern hack for ZARA. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me, and it means that you're actually watching and you want to know more, and it inspires me to actually make more videos. And believe me, I have a lot of content to put into videos. Please subscribe if you want to be updated on the things that are actually going to happen and videos that are going to be issued. And without further ado, let's hack the pattern. Okay, now let's do this part where we decide how many pleats do we need and how do we actually make the pleats. So first of all, what you need to know is that you need to measure the front part of the skirt, the hem where you're going to attach the actual pleats, and the back side of the actual skirt. So the front and the back, I've measured here, let's say it's 100 because it's a little bit easier to work with that number. So now I've decided and I've checked that I want my pleats to be 3 centimeters wide. So this is the actual width of the pleat, and this is the fabric that's going to be inside. So these pleats are going to be very, very close. So as one finishes, the other actually starts. So that means that the pleat will be 6 centimeters wide and it's gonna overlap on itself. So that means 3 centimeters from one side and 3 centimeters from the other side. I hope you're following so far. And then you're going to leave a room of 3 centimeters, the width of one overlapped pleat. And then you're gonna add another 6. And then you're just gonna fold it over and fold it over and see if this is what you want to do. So now let's do this part. So how many pleats are you actually going to have in this strip of fabric, and how much fabric do you need to cut out? Let's see. So let's say the length of the skirt front and back is 100 centimeters. So divided by 3 centimeters because that's the amount of the pleat that we get. So every 3 centimeters there's going to be 1 pleat. So that means that I'm gonna have 33.3 pleats. But to get the more even number, for example, I want to have 30 pleats in my in my actual pattern. So 30 times 3.33 is 100. So that means that the room of the pleat is not going to be 3 centimeters, it's going to be 3.3. And the actual length of the overall, or the width of the overall pleat, is going to be 6.6, which is 3.3 plus 3.3. This way you're going to get the even number of pleats, and you can put 15 in the back and 15 in the front. Now let's do the math about the actual amount of fabric that you're going to need. So you have 100, and that's the strip that you're going to need to cover the basics of the pattern. You have 100 centimeters or 1 meter. That's the length of the basic of the skirt, of the bottom of the skirt, of the hem. So you have 30 pleats, and each pleat is going to be 6.6 wide. So that means that you're just going to calculate 30 times 6.6, and you're going to get 198. So you're going to add 198 to 100, which comes to 298 centimeters of a long strip.